Hi Khalku, Assalamu Alaikum. Today again with a new hack, with a new remedy. I'm here again. It's for the hair loss, but this time this is not only for the hair loss. This remedy is for dandruff, weak scalp, losing hair, and when your hair go too and split hair, also damage hair, bleach damage hair, and also to make your hair shiny. So let's begin.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
So first I wash. This is my own aloe vera plant, but you can buy this from any superstore. I wash my leaves and remove all the side, and the thinner the dice is, the better the result is. Kind of slice, okay? In one of the bowl. Okay, and now again my coconut oil. Now if you say that whenever I see aloe vera, I just remember my mom, because my mom always used aloe vera. Okay, so I clean only 2 tablespoons, no more than that. Okay, so just 2 tablespoons oil. And now I boiled already half of the water. I'm gonna place this in hot oil. Put this aloe vera and coconut oil direct on the flame, so you have to put it on boiling water. And now I'm going to place it on my cooker and put the lid on for 10 minutes. And now I lift the lid and watch the magic. That was only 2 spoons oil, but look, but 2 big tablespoons. Okay, make sure you press the aloe vera leaf and keep cooking for another few minutes. So you can see how it's look, how my oil become a little bit darker color. And now I squeeze it. At that point I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons almond oil. That's it. Now squeeze it again. Make sure you blend it really thoroughly. And now you can see I squeeze all. You can see I squeeze all my aloe vera gel. And I'm using the same pot, the coconut oil one, and I place all my oil here. This is my oil ready, and you can apply it. And make sure you apply this oil once a week. It's really good for dandruff, head lice, and all kind of disadvantage plus hair loss. Now this aloe vera gel, don't get rid of it. So what you do, if anyone got dry heels, like dry feet, dry heels, dry skin on your feet, or maybe sometimes we have underarms problem, or sometimes a darker underarm, this is very beneficial. So don't get rid of this. Blend it in your mixture or blender or whatever. Make a smooth kind of paste, and take the paste with your two fingers and apply on circular movement, even on your face. But this is for dry skin, dry flaky skin, on your heel, on your hands, underarms, and you can get rid of all the black darker skin with just this aloe vera mask. So you can have two benefits out of this hack. When you have a proper hair oil, which is good for head lice, good for hair loss, dandruff, blah blah blah, and you also have a mask which is good for any dry skin and flaky skin and dark skin. Even it's good for pigmentation. So I hope you like this hack, this remedy. If you like my hack and remedy, please comment below so I can share my mama remedy, my mama hack with you girls. Please try these remedies well, let me know. And if you like my channel, as I said, please subscribe, like and comments and share my videos. Thank you. Keep me in your dua, and all of you will be my dua. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.